Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set audio messages to never expire or expire after 2 minutes on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings you want to go down and tap on messages. In here, go down and go to the audio messages section and tap on Expire. By default it is set to after 2 minutes. You can choose never, or you can choose after 2 minutes. So that when you send or listen to an audio message, it will automatically be removed from your conversation history after 2 minutes. And if your phone is running out of space, it is best to leave it on after 2 minutes. Otherwise, you can choose never, so that you can keep a record of all your audio messages. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.